car is most aggressive. Randy Manciano backing it up. He's got his one in the corner. Look out! If they pull the yellow flag in. Well, here's some What's going to happen? 88 car looks like it's going to spin it, but it's not going anywhere. Look out! 59 car. Let's break him up. Look out! Mark just glanced. Oh, big blow! Big blow from Frank him up on the 22. Is that going to little smoke, little moisture? That car's on. Oh, big blow! 50 and the 22 car. Yeah, get that. I'm not sure about the 22 car. Oh no, it's going to be a 22 sandwich. Look out! Is a city duck. Yeah. Good. Huge. Mark Donovan came in. I think Mark did more damage. Who is it going to be? The last two. That left rear wheel on the 20, is that even attached? He is. There's something to be said for a 2000 Lincoln, I'm telling you. That thing is still going. Wait a minute. He's doing a little victory lap. I'm not sure if it's official yet, but the 59 car has not moved. We have not seen the 723 car move in a while. The 59 car's got smoke coming out of the hood. What's going on? Officially, those cars are still in it. Mark Donovan, the 723, 59, Frank Imhoff. Robert out in 2 minutes. It is out. Rob, 59. Just keep moving around, 22.